Welcome. If you want to use one-hand mode in your Huawei P40 Pro, for the first you have to enter the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and tap on the accessibility features. Here we have our one-hand mode. So the first one is just to turn on this option, right? With the switcher you can turn on or turn off this option. And there's two methods how to use it. The first one is the swipe from the one of the bottom corners. And the second one is when we are using the 3K navigation, we can swipe across the navigation bar from the right on the left side. So I just tried with the method 1 and it's not easy, and I'm gonna show you that it's probably not working. As you can see, I just cannot enter the one-hand mode without the navigation keys. So let me just turn on the navigation keys. Let's tap on the search, tap navigation, 3K navigation, and it will be much easier. So let's go back to the accessibility features, one-hand mode, and right now we have to only the swipe from the right on the left side, and this is how you turn on the one-hand mode on the smartphone. And if you want to exit the one-hand mode, you have to click on the blank arena outside to exit, like here, and if you want to use it on the left side, you have to swipe on the left, of course. And this is how it looks. So as you can see, I highly recommend you to use the 3K navigation when you want to enter the one-hand mode, because it is much easier. And this is it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.